Alright guys, so we're back in for another day of working on the Turbo Sierra. So first off, what we're doing is the brackets for the Denali bumper. We're going to grind down what is left of the old frame rail, and then we're going to weld them onto the new truck.
Do we know what side's left, what side's right?
Nope. Actually, that would be left side because it's tapered. So this side, well, left side. Because it's tapered with the bumper.
Okay, so as you see, guys, Jeff took them to work and got them cut up.
There.
So he's gonna grind the inside. We'll get tacked down, we'll get the bumper on. He brought some angle iron for the intercooler to get the intercooler in spot. And we have the Roadster uncovered, NYG out. And more cars. You're not a car.
No.
Alright, so that's what we're gonna do. It's actually quite sad. Alright, we're gonna get into some grinding. We're gonna let that run since it was dead. Almost see where it is.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
So we were smart enough to take the measurements before it was cut off, so Jeff remembers the measurements on each side.
This one is actually over a bit more. You can see it.
I'm many things. I wouldn't say I'm a welder, but I am many things. And today we are going to try some welding.
I thought you were a welder.
Shh. Okay, I have 12 CWB tickets. Well, I had 12 CWB tickets. They expire after 2 years of no use. So that is that.
Okay. Right there? Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Kind of a one-shot deal, right?
Yeah, just and then I can...
Hold on, I'm not tacked on this.
Ow.
Still not tacked on
No,
it.
hold on.
I'll solve that issue.
It didn't help right where you were tacking, my thumb was on the other side.
Yeah, I bet you that wouldn't have felt good.
No, it was a little hot. Wasn't fantastic.
Let me know when you're ready. Good?
Yeah.
You want to check the other side first?
First off, I see a problem.
What?
Wrong side.
Tire pull!
That's why we tack. And then we go from there. Try this again.
Shall we? I'm very nervous about doing this.
Sorry, this is why we tack it on, then test fit it, and then we'll weld it up after.
Good?
Yeah. Level, and also it's going to close up that gap.
Would you just look at that? Just look at that! Anyways, we need to come up a little bit, but...
Your gap's not as bad on this side.
No. But the bracket will move up, though.
What's that? Oh yeah, our side bracket is adjustable, but that's hanging low because of the center is also down.
So we're going to need to bring it up.
Yeah.
That does look sick.
Yeah. I do like the chrome, actually. The black lights. It's just a little bit. It's the only thing... Because mind you, the wheels are silver too.
Or the wind that was blowing.
Yeah.
You know how you solve that? Turn the gas up to let the nozzle sit longer. At least if I was a welder, that's what I'd do. You know, this will probably help with look. That's what it's designed for, right?
Probably, yeah.
Here. help fill that in. It's all good. Okay.
Were you going to bother putting the bolt in? Kind of hang this out there.
Just put the one or two in the top. Don't worry about the other ones. One each side.
Pick one.
The gap on the side's right close. So.
Yeah, it's closing up a little bit too.
More than acceptable for a truck.
Yeah.
Side in first until we get that tab. Okay.
Much better.
Leave a comment, let me know what you think of this chrome grill. We did buy a brand new chrome grill because the Denali's all came chrome anyways. So Well, there's a mirror cup installed. Door handle needs to be redone if we're gonna run it.
If that one was wet and like cleaned up like the other ones, I almost agree with you.
Yeah, because
It just breaks up the door.
that's the original door handle off the truck that's been sitting in my paint bay for a year and a half.
Oh, from the other truck.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy 2 new ones.
I honestly think.
You gotta remember that's gonna be a blue cap.
Yeah. Just to break up the door a little bit because
It's too much blue.
Yeah, it just blends in too much.
And it goes with. I don't know. But it goes with the block of the box.
Exactly. It's just a bit of accent to it, right?
And then we have. Oh, yeah. Bumper on. So here you guys go. Shout out to Jeff for giving me a hand. Truck looks great. Now we just need to finish up a few things, guys, and we're going to work on the turbo kit. Stay tuned.